Do have the shower awning by Nomad, by Caos, and just unzipped it there, and it's got these two little Velcros that unwind, come out, and that rolls out all the way. Open up the arms, pull the arm out to the left, and then pull the arm out to the right. It's got some zips just there, and we can peg them down. The great thing about the external shower is that it can double up as a place to put your porta toilet. And we'll open this up just there. We'll take it inside. You've got a provision for the zip there, and you can pull your plumbing through there. It's got plenty of stuff for your accessories. If you are after some additional privacy, you can a lid just in case there is rain, etc. So just roll that back up and pop that away. You can also use the shower curtain inside for your toilet. All right, let's pack it up. Just before you roll the awning up, you do want to make sure it is dry. You don't want to be bringing the awning out also when it's high wind or extreme sort of conditions. You do also want to check that it is packed away before you drive off your campsite. You want to grab it from the bottom, make sure it's straight like that there, and roll it from the middle, because you don't want it, if you roll it from the sides, it won't roll up evenly. You want to make sure that that clip is over the top of that bar and the Velcro slots in like that. So generally before every rental, the cistern is empty, so that means that there's no water for flushing. So we'll pop this lid up and we'll have to open up this cap here. The water goes in there and you'll see your water level change. So as you can see, the water gauge is coming up. It's the blue line. The cistern can hold up to 15 litres, but we suggest you only put as much water as you need for flushing, because for every litre means it's another kilo you have to carry and put back into the spot. The gauge has gone to the halfway mark, so that means it's halfway full of water. I'm going to put this cap back on just there, and then we're going to lift the lid. So in order to flush the toilet, you push that, and it pretty much works like an aeroplane toilet. You pop your capsules in there, just follow the instructions on the back of the packet for the capsules. We'll show you how to open the cistern and how to empty it. At the back, you've got this part there, and that unlocks. Bottom part there, so that's your waste, and you can pretty much, the waste will come out of there, so you'll go open that up and empty the toilet as needed. So when packing up, put that to there, that lever to there, and pop that on top, and that should lock in, ready to be taken away again. So these Aqua Chem green satchels, they will help liquefy the waste and make it easier to empty the tank below. One dose will help about 3 litres of water, and one dose will last for 4 days. So you grab a capsule, pop it in there. So always empty the tank below at a designated location and then rinse it with water as you go.